Hello guys. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how you can officially download the older version of CapCut. As you guys may already know, you can no longer download them from the official CapCut site, and if you go to third-party site, for example, up to down or other sites, you can download it, but these are just the online installer, and the online installer will automatically install the latest version. So all you have to do is go to your PowerShell, and in PowerShell, just paste this. This will show you all the available versions from Microsoft Store using winget. So if I press enter, you can see all the available version. So to download this, all you have to do, pick your favorite version and just do, for example, let's do this version, and then we will do, you can either do download or install, your call. So in my case, I will do winget install. If I press enter, you can see we are downloading the older version. So yeah, this will start the downloading of older CapCut version. And after installation, you can check its version, but be careful. In most of the cases, the CapCut version try to upgrade to its latest version. To fix this problem, you can check out my this video, or just simply block your internet or switch off internet while you are using CapCut, or else it will keep on trying to update to its latest version.